This is me, and also this is me. So today I gonna work on again 1 by 1 feet, yani ki it means 12 by 12 inches canvas. So let's start. First of all, I gonna open this canvas. It's a paper that is very thin but very hard to open. Not much hard. Let's become dirty. Let's clean. So everything is okay here, but I need some water. This is okay. It is a long time before I worked with the complementary color scheme. So today I'm gonna work on it. So I took yellow and violet. So I have to make the violet. I have not violet. This is blue, yellow, and little crimson. And now I'm gonna mix these three colors. Let's use some white. White, where is white? I have a lot of white in this container. Directly I can. Oh, this is too much. So I should use my hand, but I can give it back to the container like this. This is going. This is going back. And now I will work with the hand directly. Wow, look at this. Within some minutes, anyone can create an abstract art. But if you want to make it meaningfully, so you need to wait and hard work on it. How it will be, I will show you in this video. Now this painting is completely dried it everywhere, and this is the top view. So now I'm gonna make a final layer and then I will create textures. I have golden color and I'm highly interested to make the abstract with golden color. In the most of my paintings I do golden abstract paintings. I need this brush clean because I'll create the textures with it. In acrylic layer, uh, to create the textures is not possible with the iron nails as I did with this nail in the previous videos. Oil painting में ये हो सकता है. Now I have a very small time to make the textures because acrylic colors dries very fast. Wow. Looking nice. It's not wonder for me that I see my work as nice work, as a good, and I appreciate myself. Um, but beyond of these, every art needs a good attention and appreciation. And really, sometimes most of the times actually, I realize that my abstract paintings uh, looks amazing and totally uh, different sometimes and beyond of my imagination and better than my plans. So that's why I like to appreciate myself. Look at these textures. You've never seen before such textures in abstract paintings because these are manually created with the painting knife. And little variation and differences between the acrylic painting in the texture form and in the oil painting. In the oil painting, the textures will be more fine, I mean thin. And I realize in this abstract painting, while I create the textures, the layer on which I create texture, it should be a little thick, like this layer. This is thick, so it will take a longer time to dry. And one more thing, textures are clear, more clear than the thin layers. So if you want to try such abstract textures, um, keep in mind you have to do before it will dry. And this is not possible in the high temperature of room. Look at this. Now finally this is okay and done. Like, share and please subscribe my channel and comment your opinion. How do you feel about my abstract arts? Thank you. Bye.